In this video, we're gonna learn how to make money with ads on YouTube. So there are a lot of steps that are involved in making money on YouTube, but I broke down this video into 7 different steps from which you will learn how to make money on YouTube. Step 1 is most important step among all of these steps, and that is to create good quality content. Content is king is the phrase we used some 10 years ago, and it stays the same way. Content is the king, but how to grab the attention of audience depends on the first minute of your video. So make sure whatever the topic of your video is, grab the attention of the audience in the first minute, and that will give you a lot of views and bring a lot of subscribers from those views. Another thing to learn is SEO, which is search engine optimization. If you don't know much about search engine optimization, there are tons of YouTube videos that are out there from which you can learn a lot. Search engine optimization for videos includes the title, the tags, and the description of the video that is optimized for YouTube to search your video. It is even more important when you are starting out a channel, because you should be able to spend more time on search engine optimization. That way your videos will have more catchy titles, good tags, and a good solid description. YouTube algorithms should go through your videos and all the content that you have on your channel and relate your content to the related recommended channels of the other big YouTubers. And that is extremely important when you are first starting out. Another thing is YouTube would not be able to analyze your videos if you are not putting the right titles and tags, because that is how you're gonna get the attention of YouTube through their algorithms that are depending on the title, tags, and the description that you have under your videos. Step 3 is the step that a lot of people consider one of the most important steps, and that is to create catchy and attractive thumbnail for your videos. Not all the viewers that you're gonna get on your YouTube videos will be searching just for your content on YouTube. What that means is a lot of them would not be your subscribers in first place. I have also noted in the past 10 years of content creation that most of the views that are coming on my videos are from the people who are not subscribed to my channel. So say for example, I have 10,000 subscribers and I get 20,000 views on my video. That 10,000 views that are coming from non-subscribers are equally valuable to me as the 10,000 that came from my subscribers. So to get more people to click on my video, I need to have good thumbnails that will get more attention. Step 4 is probably the most important step in order to make good money from ads on YouTube videos. Since millions of people are pushing daily content on YouTube, your content needs to be pushed in a frequent manner as well. And that's when the consistency comes in. You need to improve the quality of content as well as the title, tags, and the description as we discussed earlier. But it's equally important in my eyes that you keep on making good quality content of videos and keep pushing it out to your subscribers. Making decent amount of money on YouTube also requires your channel to be promoted, and that comes with the good quality and consistent content. So what that means is uploading frequency plays an important role in order to get your name out. Step 5 is to get engaged with the audience. What I have personally noticed in my previous years on YouTube is that the people who are engaged more with the same niche content get to have more views, and that's because YouTube relates their channel with the channels that they are commenting on, and that's how all algorithms work together. And it's equally important for you to get engaged with the subscribers that you have, because YouTube doesn't want your subscriber to click on your video and go back and never come back to your videos ever again. So they want high engagement audience, and that's how you're gonna get high engaged audience. Step 6 is really important, and that is to target a specific niche. Because there are so many videos out there on YouTube, it's highly likely that your video is gonna go and nobody's gonna watch that video. So in order to get more attention from the different viewers living in different cities, areas, location, and in different countries and continents and all over the world, you need to be really focused on your niche. So if you are making a specific niche videos, try to include all the right title, tags, and descriptions. And not only that, just target one niche at a time, because that's how you're gonna get more traction, since your subscriber will know what kind of content you will be pushing next. Targeting one specific niche is very important in a sense that your subscribers will know what content you will be pushing out more. So that way they will be expecting you to create the same kind of content, and that way you will gain more attraction from other people who are not yet subscribed to your channel, but they will know that you have already created 200, 300, or maybe even 500 videos on the same niche, so you are a subject matter expert. Talking about subject matter expert, let's give a shout out to Graham Stephan, who has created quality content for the past 3 years and targeted his niche. Graham has made a video last month talking about how much money he's making on YouTube from his one YouTube channel, just from the Google ads, and that is over $100,000. That's really a good example, because not only he kept on pushing on one niche content, but also he targeted the niche finance, which is highly recommended for all of you who are just starting out, because this finance niche specifically makes you a lot of money as compared to other niches on YouTube. Step 7 is to create videos on a topic that are evergreen. What I mean by that is the video that you have published today should keep its value even after 6 months, 8 months, or maybe even a year, if you have provided the quality content and kept the video short, precise, and on point. That way you never know when is your old videos going to get recommended under different famous YouTube videos. I have personally seen 5 to 6 months old videos in my recommended videos, and that is because I have watched the recent content of a creator, and YouTube is thinking that the content that that creator has created 5-6 months ago will equally be important to me after 6 months. So that's really important that you keep creating content that is evergreen. Alright, so to conclude this video, I would say follow these 7 steps and you'll be on a track to get more money from YouTube ads on YouTube, even with a small channel. If you're watching this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. This way I will be creating more videos that are educational and might add little value to your day. So thank you guys for watching. This is Abir Khan, and I'll see you in my next video.